From a plain Dollar Tree box to this beautiful distressed coastal beauty. Keep watching. Hello my YouTube people, how you doing today? I hope that you are great. So today's DIY of the day is this beautiful coastal jewelry box that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I mixed up this beautiful blue colored chalk paint. I made sure to paint the inside of the box first because it's going to be easier. Then after I let it dry, I went ahead and I decided to line the inside of the box. I thought that it was going to be really pretty, so I decided to outline it with this nice Dollar Tree nautical rope. And I'm only going to do the inside edges just to give it that little extra element of surprise when you open the box. And I think that it makes it look so finished and so clean, and I just think that it's a really pretty detail. Just run my glue right along the edges and just make sure that the rope is securely tucked in to the seam. I make sure that I hold it at the edge corner and then I pull it tight so that I have a nice clean line. Then I had this really cute little dolphin wood cutout from the Dollar Tree that I painted blue, and I decided that he'd be a cute little surprise inside the box when you open it. I love the little element of surprise when you open up the box and you see the little dolphin there. I think it's a cute effect. Then I had these pretty little floral beads in my stash, and I decided to go a little bit extra and glue them onto the corners of each one just to make it ultra finished and ultra pretty. I don't know, I just love the whimsy of it, and I just think it's really sweet. I love coastal and I love glam, and I just decided to mix the two together. What do you guys think so far? After I took care of the inside of the box, now I am going to decoupage the outside. I got these pretty blue napkins from Marshall's. I think that these are so nice. It's not your typical nautical pattern, but I think that keeping in with our nautical glam, that this is going to come out really pretty. I don't like it when things are too literal. I try to incorporate a little bit of the trend and a little bit of the theme just to give it that little bit of an extra edge and just make it look extra special. After I painted the outside white, I'm going to go cover it with Mod Podge and I'm going to apply the napkin. Don't forget to separate the plies on the napkin because these napkins from Marshall's come 3-ply. It's a little tricky at first, but once you get it, it peels off really quickly. So don't forget it has 3 plies. You want just the printed ply at the very top to get the best effect. Now, I don't want this to be such a clean coastal piece. I like when things from the ocean are in its natural form, and a lot of things from the ocean are not perfect. They're worn, they are distressed, and that's the type of look that I want to capture here. I don't want that clean, crisp, nautical look. I want that really beautiful, worn, organic beach look. Just imagine how this would look if it washed up on shore. I give it a generous coating of Mod Podge, and I am loving the way that this napkin is adhering to this box. It is giving a natural distress, and I am here for all of it. Now, I kept the border of the napkin to go around the bottom border of the box, and I like the way that it breaks up the pattern of the floral. This is just such a pretty little coastal piece. I am in love with it. I go ahead and I go all around the bottom with my border piece, and I'm gonna let that dry. In the meantime, I have these pearl beads from my stash that you can get anywhere. You can get them in Dollar Tree or anywhere that, anywhere that sells kind of beads and trim. And I just decided to glue it to the bottom of the box just to give it a little bit of height and have that little pearl detail. I think that the wonder of this box and the charm and the appeal of this box is all of the little details that scream nautical. I have this other little shell cut out that I painted blue, and I decided to do a 3D piece on top of the box. If this is your first time here, my name is Maria. I go by A Talented Latina, If you find value in this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please guys, send me your comments. You know I love your comments. What do you guys think of this box so far? I love the way that the box has the natural distress around the edges, but I am not finished yet. I have one more piece. I designed a little handmade label to go on the inside just to finish it off. It makes it look really pretty. It makes it look kind of high-end. It just makes it look like a really nice handmade piece, and I just love the charm and the appeal of this little box. What do you guys think? I love the distress around the edges, and I love that this box does not look absolutely perfect. I think it looks like it's a little distressed, a little old, but it definitely screams all things ocean. Until the next one, guys, peace.